Good morning, guys. Welcome to your Wednesday morning market brief. Well, US markets pretty much finished dead flat. The Nasdaq was literally dead flat. The S&P was slightly lower. The best performing sector on Tuesday was the energy sector, up about 4%. And Warren Buffett continues to buy more shares in Oxy. It was up another 8%. But generally speaking, there are more hedge funds right now betting against the market, driving prices lower. And we did actually see home sales down 12.6% recently. And we also have a purchasing managers index number, a manufacturing index number, showing that manufacturers are buying less product to manufacturers. So at the moment anyway, there's a lot of sentiment around that we're going to see slowing growth in 2023, and therefore the sentiment in markets is a little negative right now. However, as I pointed out to my clients just the other day, we've got the midterm elections coming up in November, and there has never been a period in history. This will be the 21st midterm election. Never been a period in history where the share market has not been lower. It's always been higher by the 30th of June the following year. So that's an interesting stat. And I suspect that given the fact that the vast majority of the market is bearish, I would much rather be bullish. The euro hit a 20-year low through that Tuesday trading session, trading well below parity. The Aussie dollar is up a little bit. It's actually trading at 69.27, up 0.75%. Oil was up 3.6%. Oil's actually trading at $93 a barrel. So unfortunately, guys, it's trending back higher right now. Energy, as I said, was up 0.4%. But right now, what we're seeing is the US 10-year Treasury yield, as it continues to go high, it's above 3%. If it continues to go high, that's going to spell, in the short term anyway, likely some trouble for sentiment in financial markets. I said yesterday, and I'll hold true to this for the next month, the two data numbers, inflation on the 13th of September, the Fed meeting on the 21st of September, that's all the market cares about. That's your Wednesday morning market brief. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.